The ninth vulnerability in OWASP top 10 is using components with known vulnerabilities. So what does this mean? So if you do not know the version of all the components that you use into your web application, then this may lead to severe issues. So let's say you are running an outdated version of any application and you do not know it, and there is an exploit down there running into the community, or there is a 0-day. So anyone can exploit your server. So vulnerable system, application or softwares or protocols which are running leads to these types of attack. Outdated softwares or 0-day vulnerabilities also leads to these types of issues. Now, why this attack happens? Old softwares running which are outdated or contain vulnerabilities are not updated or patched. Insecure or obsolete features enabled also leads to these issues. For example, a vulnerable version of drop beer SSH running leads to a SSH takeover. Another example, running vulnerable version of Windows 7 and any attacker runs a double pulsar exploit will also lead to an takeover of the server. This happened because of running an insecure version of a software. What can be achieved by this vulnerability? Remote code execution, malware injection, server-side injection, complete takeover of the server. So how do we fix these types of issues? Update before going live. Make sure all the softwares and applications are up to date and patched, and also disable all unnecessary functions in your application. Thank you.